This is a quick little video tutorial on how to convert the audio files that are being asked to be created by the teachers for the read aloud accommodations for the students using the sound recorder option within a Windows laptop or computer. Unfortunately, those do not play on a Chromebook and must be converted to a different format, which I recommend is an MP3. There are a couple of services that you can use, and you can decide which one you prefer. The first one is, before I start, what I've done is I've created a little sample audio file, and it's a Windows Media Audio. That's what the sound recorder uses. So the first one is called Zamzar, www.zamzar.com, and it converts all sorts of files. It just doesn't have to be these type of files, so you can use this service to do other conversions as well. So the first thing it's going to ask me to do is choose my file. So I'm going to choose my file, and then I'm going to go to step number 2, and it says after you've chosen the file, what would you like to convert it to? In this case, I'm going to choose MP3. Those will play on a Chromebook, and plus it keeps the file size down. The next thing it's going to ask for is your email address. What it does, it'll convert it in the background, and then let you know, send you an email when it's converted. And then I'll click the step 4, which is convert. And you'll see it'll upload the file and then tell me that the file upload is complete. And then they will send an email. In this case, I see a Zamzar conversions and converted file from Zamzar. Now it might not appear right away, so I'm going to click on this. And when I do, it'll open up my email. It will show me right up here. It's going to ask you to create an account. You don't have to do that. So down here it says alternatively you can click on the following link to download a copy of the converted file. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to click there to download the file. And right here it shows me my sample audio file, and it says to download now. I'm going to go ahead and download the file. And what you'll see down here in your area down at the bottom of the screen is you will see the file being downloaded. Most likely it's saving it to your downloads area of your computer. So that is one way to save it, is using the site called Zamzar. Another service is one called Cloud Convert. And Cloud Convert anything to anything is what they say. So what you can do right here, same type of process, is select the files, or if you've uploaded it, there are different places you can choose from, so you could choose your Google Drive. But right now, if I just click Select Files, it's going to open up my normal window asking where on my computer this has been saved. So I'm going to click the sample audio file, and you can see that it's here. It says it's ready. It's a Windows Media Audio, and it's going to convert it for me. I'm going to change it to down here. I'm going to say I want to make it an MP3. So now it's going to convert this Windows Media Audio to an MP3. It's going to convert it pretty quickly from what I can see of these. Now, if you chose to upload it to your Google Drive, you also could say to save it automatically to your Google Drive. And it'll ask you to confirm some things, but in my case, I'm just going to leave it right on my computer. I'm going to say Start Conversion. When I do, you'll see it starting. It's uploading. It's going to convert it to an MP3. And then it's going to give me the option to download this file. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Download. And again, it puts it right here as a sample, but it's in my Downloads folder. When you get to your Downloads folder, on your taskbar at the bottom, you'll see your little folder icon, Windows Explorer. When you click on there, it'll bring up your menu where you can then go to Downloads. And you can see that I do have both of my files that I've downloaded in an MP3 format. You then can take these files, once they've been converted to an MP3, and you can either post them through Google Classroom, you could upload them as a link to your teacher webpage, and that way students who are on Chromebooks could either get it through the Google Classroom, they could go to your web page, but then they would be able to play back this audio file while they're looking at a hard copy version of the test. Unfortunately, we have not found a way to be able to use the audio file feature with in conjunction with interactive achievement, which takes up the entire screen on the Chromebooks. So for the Chromebooks, you would have to, this could just play the file while they had a hard copy of the audio file. So this is a way that if you have Chromebooks, that you can take files that you've created using the sound recorder feature on a Windows laptop, convert the files to an MP3 format so that they can be played on the Chromebook. Hope this helps. Thank you very much.